Right now it's like a zero balance. Most of the groups, most of the blood groups, we are having a zero balance. We are trying. People are coming forward. We have some walking donors, but also at the same time we are getting a lot of requests from private hospital and our hospital. Because Hospicio Hospital is the only blood bank in the south, so it caters to around 36 to 40 private hospitals besides government hospitals. So whatever blood comes, as the request comes, the blood goes out of the stock. So right now it's like a real critical situation where we are having almost zero position for most of the blood groups. With the current COVID pandemic and the lockdown situation we are in, all our camps with regards to blood donation have to be cancelled. As a result of which, blood banks all over Goa are facing an acute shortage of blood.
कोरोनाचे भयान आणि भायर वचपाक घाल्ले निर्बंधांक लागूनय ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प फाटले 2-1 म्हयने बंदूच पडल्यात. रगत दिवपी भायर सरनात. मात कोण रगत दिवंक तयार आसत अशांक ट्रान्झिट पास दिवपाची व्यवस्था खंय सरकारी दोतर करपाक शकतात.
And I also appeal to all who want to donate, please come to the blood bank. In case you require a pass, transit pass, we are ready to give you a transit pass. So that's my honest request for everyone, whoever wants to donate, please come forward and donate. If you are in Panjim, you can go to Goa Medical College. If you are Margaon south side, you can come to Hospicio Hospital at your convenience.
काय सामाजिक वावुरप्यांचे लोकांनी रगत दिवचे म्हूण यत्न चल्ल्यात.
सो आमी सगळ्यांनी मुखार सरपा जाय. आतां आमी पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार सारके कंप्लिटली ऑस्पिशियल ड्राय आहा. एक खंयचोच ग्रुपांतले ब्लड ना. सो हांव लोकां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता ते कोण जाता जाल्यार तुमी भियेनाका. कोविड-19 जावची ना. सो हेजेर तुमी मुखार सरून लोकांक जे गरज आहा, आज पळोवपाक गेल्यार कितले लोकांक गरज आहा रक्ताची. सो हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता सगळ्यां कडेन जाता जाल्यार जे कोण डोनेट करताले आनी तेंच्यांनी डोनेट परतून येवन दिवचे. तशें आतां आमी आमचो कर्तव्य जावन आसा की लोकांक आमी धाडून हांव ट्राय करतलो म्हजे कडेन कितली आहा ते भाशेन हाडून हांव तांकां डोनेट करपाक लायतलो.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.